is Sullivan, and I'm going to show you what I built today. So, the first step.
First, what is it, buddy? What did you build?
I built a truck wash.
A truck wash. All right, so let's walk us through the steps of how you built it, and then we'll show everybody the tools that you used.
This is the first step. You get, doesn't matter which piece, but you get the 2 pieces, and then after you get, I put a kind of longer screw in here just because it'll be thicker, and then it attaches to this big thing, and then you screw these both on, and then you put these lamps on. Well, you screw it with the lamps. And then,
so you had the sides.
Yeah.
So that was step 1.
These spray water.
They spray water, so the sides spray water as they go to clean the truck, the sides of the truck. So that was step 1. And then step 2 was that bar that holds up the ramp. Mm-hmm. Step 3 was the ramp.
Yeah.
All right, and then what's step 4?
Step 4 is these. So you screw. It took a long time because it was really hard to actually make sure that you wouldn't fall down. So these will be the 4th step, and then you duct tape this on, and then you can take these on. Well, I think this was before, so you put these on, and then this, which you have to kind of always keep putting.
And what does that do?
This goes through here. And then it cleans it up.
Wow. So those are the brushes that clean it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's show everyone the tools that you had to use to make this.
Okay.
And we should point out that Sullivan did this all by himself. There was no help from mommy or daddy.
So, I did use this.
What's that?
I used this, it's sand stuff.
So you used it to sand?
Yeah, I definitely used my earmuffs.
Oh yeah, safety first.
Drills too.
What did you use the drills for?
I used the drills for this drill is to screw holes into wood. This drill is to put the screws in the holes.
Okay, so you had to drill the hole before you put the screw in.
Yeah, or you could just put the screw in.
Does drilling the hole make it easier?
Yeah.
And what kind of screw? What's on the tip of the screw? What shape is it?
Shape?
The bit that's on your screw, on your drill.
The bit?
The bit that's on your drill, what's that?
The bit is a flathead. The bit is a Robertson, which is square.
All right, buddy. And I see, what's this blue tool right here?
It's a sander, but I didn't really use it.
Okay, you don't need that one?
I didn't really use it.
Okay.
Yeah. So, let's go back over here. And we're done.
And that's it. It was easy. You want to say bye to everyone and say thanks for watching?